Okay. S to the K. If you dey feel me, let me know. You know easy to run this show. You know easy to come from nothing and become something and make some dough. All I'm working love for one more day. I'm unstoppable, my love there. No need to sit down, they hate on anybody. Leave the people with it for more there. Oh yeah,
Mujo. For Mujo, it was quite. I would say it was quite easy because I already have this chemistry with this new producer who's my favorite right now at the moment. His name is Killer Tunes. He's like 18 years old, but we've been working a lot on a lot of big songs that are going to come out very soon. Mujo is one of them. That's like the introduction to my other project in 2016. For Mujo, it was basically, I just heard the beat and I rearranged the beat actually. I told him this is how I wanted to sound and all that. I knew what I wanted to say and all that. I didn't want to say much. I just wanted it to be about the beat. I wanted it to be like that. This festive season's anthem, basically. That's what I thought I wanted it to be. You get? Then for the video, it was just the normal street stuff that I had in my head all this while, of me being on a bike, of me having a bus with girls putting their legs up in the air, twerking and stuff. Of the whole, probably the whole town, everybody listening to the whole thing. Like I said, I wanted it to be like the festive season's anthem. It was quite easy, quite simple. I knew what I wanted and I went for it. Big shout out to everybody that worked on this whole thing with me, from Stans, the director, to Expandables, to GGB Girls, to everybody that was in the video, to my team, of course, to the producer, Killer Tunes, and to Kenny Wonder. He mixed the song and all that, yeah.
Oh yeah, Mujo.
NEH